everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas. This is a collab that was hosted by Scrappy Tate Paulette here on YouTube, and everybody that participate are amazing crafters, so I can't wait to see what everybody created and received. If you are not subscribed to their channel, please go over and subscribe. Anyways, thank you.
So we are coming along today with day number 8, you guys, and this is what I created for Stay's my partner. It is a tape dispenser. I did get the cathyscreativekrafts tape box, I guess, and then I just went ahead and decorated. I put a cute little bow, and yeah, so this is, it's just made a simple little thing. I hope she likes it, and I thought it was so cute. Anyways, love the bow. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.